time for miracle twisting to get the second fabric perpetual calendar out. This has two versions. You can play it with the version that including weekdays, or you can play it with the version that only has the month and the date of the month. I was supposed to stitch my mom's name here, but I'm just too fatigued. I'm done with it for now. Maybe the third one, then I will do it. Voila. So this is the 2-in-1 version. This 6 is the common module for both versions. And these two are the version together. 6 plus 2 are the version for disregard the weekdays, only the month of the year and the date of the month. And this common module with this 4 piece, then you can play including the weekdays. Because my mom is raised as Japanese, so I put a Japanese weekdays name here. The sun, the moon, the fire, the water, the wood, the metal, the dirt. It's actually the concept from Westerner in Minjugu Revolution. So this actually is the Greek style. The Marteti, this Mercury, Mercordi. Oh, Mercordi is here. This is water, and this is just the moon. This is sun, and this is Saturn, and this is Judish, the god of the lightning. And so voila, here we go. So I'm the only person who make 2 versions in one. And then if you put the tile here, they can stay. So after you finish playing it, you can hang it up and then on the wall. So it's a true calendar. And then once you want to put them away, same idea. You just have to put into the belly, and then easy closure. Just have to shake it, and voila, another Gravity Defying Series. There's no way to get the stuff from the belly to fall out. Gravity Defying Series, perpetual calendar, 2 versions in one. If you buy it from Amazon, you only can get a wood version or a plastic version, and you can only get either or version. You cannot get the two version. It's good for senior to prevent Alzheimer, so they can easily remember what day is the day, because if they have to play every day, they had to know what is the day from yesterday, because it will play on the board, on the puzzle board. The second piece of perpetual calendar, Gravity Defying Series, one after another.